chip bag.
No, you can't. Read the rules.
Alright, fine. Here's my ticket.
Enjoy the show.
Oh, why is security so tough? Excuse me. There's an emergency. I need to get in quick.
Sure. Go right ahead.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Here's my ticket.
Hey, no snacks.
Hey guys, look at this. Look at all the snacks I brought.
Yeah!
Here, take one.
Whoa, that's awesome! Wait, you don't work here?
No, I just wanted to sneak snacks into the concert.
You're so cool!
Enjoy your snacks, guys.
Thanks!
How do you all have snacks? Did you sneak it in?
No.
Come on, I knew you were phoning it. Come with me.
Oh man.
So close!
I don't have any candy. See?
Really? Aha! I knew it. Then explain this.
Oh, how did those get there?
That was too obvious. That's why I made these.
Here, take your hat back and enjoy the show.
Oh man.
All right, next. Huh? Wait, what are those glasses?
These? They're just the newest trend. Do you like them?
New trend, huh? All right, go ahead.
Thank you.
Hey, no snacks.
Oh man, no snacks.
Is security here? Hey guys,
Huh?
this is actually candy. Look. They were just as expected. Here you go. Whoa, this is actual candy. Cool. Do you want some first?
Yes, please.
You're welcome, guys. So smart.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that next time.
All right, ticket.
Okay, hold on.
Excuse me, who are you? You gotta get to the back of the line.
What? I'm a part of the band. Don't you recognize me? Let me in.
Really? Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Go ahead.
You're lucky. I almost got you fired.
Sorry. Hey, stop right there.
Is something wrong, sir?
That jacket looks funny. Unzip it.
Okay.
Aha, I knew it.
Aww.
No snacks. Now give me your ticket.
Aww.
Soda's okay, right?
No.
Oh man.
These people, man. Just eat before you get here.
Aww. Wait, huh?
What?
You're not part of the band?
And you have snacks?
No, I was just pretending. Did you guys want some snacks?
Yeah, of course.
Can we?
Yeah, let me get some for you.
Here you go. Awesome.
Thanks so much.
No problem.
What do you think you're doing? Give me that. Well, you too.
Oh, my snacks!
You know the rules. No food. Huh? Hey, what's all this?
Oh, this is just a Crafty Hacks guitar strap.
Guitar shop.
Yeah.
All right, fine. Go ahead.
Man, when's the show gonna start?
Huh?
I snuck in candy. Here, do you guys want some?
Whoa, that's so cool!
Yeah.
Here, Fred, this one's yours.
Wow, thanks, Joyce.
Enjoy the candy, guys.
Thanks. Huh? There's no soda. What do you think?
Here.
Thank you.
What's up, dude?
Oh, hey, I like your long hair. I've always wanted that.
Oh, really? Thanks, dude. Oh, yeah. Oh, who was that?
Hey, I saw that. Give me all the candy.
Oh, man. Whoa, that was a total accident. My bad.
Don't try to trick me. Give me your ticket.
Whoa, dude, chill out.
Let's go inside.
All right.
Whoa, excuse me, man.
Did I do something wrong?
Oh, no. Are you pregnant?
Yeah, I am.
Oh, really? I'm sorry. Here, you can go in first.
Are you sure that's okay?
Here, move.
Sorry.
All right, tickets.
Here you go.
Hey, pregnant people get special treatment? Let me try that.
Hey, no snack.
Aww.
What's going on here?
I'm pregnant, see?
Pure boy, that doesn't make any sense. Give me those snacks.
Oh, man. Aww.
People these days. What was he thinking?
So refreshing.
What? How'd you sneak that in here? And I thought you were pregnant.
No, it's just a bag of juice.
Oh, why didn't I think about that?
So good.
Sir, I'm gonna need to search your bag.
Okay.
Huh? What's all this?
Oh, man, you caught me.
This stays with me. You can go in.
All right.
Here's my ticket.
All right, no snacks. Huh? Wait, what are those?
What are you talking about? They're just shoelaces.
Okay. All right, you can go in.
Thanks.
Hey, no snacks. No, not in my house.
Huh, I wonder when the show starts.
Guys.
What is it?
Check this out! I brought in gummy worms!
Oh, thanks.
One for you too!
Whoa, gummy shoelaces? That's so genius.
I know! I thought of the idea yesterday!
That's brilliant.
Want more?
Oh, thanks. That's not outside food. What do you think you're doing?
Aww. Oh man, he's gonna take my snacks for sure. Oh! I'm gonna wrap my snack so it looks like a baby. Ah, perfect. He's never gonna find out.
Come on, you know the rules.
Oh man, here you go.
Quiet. Shh.
Oh, how cute. Can I see your baby?
Oh, sorry. She's sleeping right now.
Oh, that's not a baby, that's candy. Are you trying to use a baby to trick me?
I'm sorry. I don't have anything else.
Whatever, go inside.
No, don't take my soda, please.
You either give it to me or you don't go in.
Oh, fine.
Thank you. Come on.
Take it.
No. Give me those.
Aww.
Hey, hold on. What do you got there? Is that soda?
Oh no, sir. It's just water. See?
Only looks like ice. All right, you can go in.
All right, thank you. Here you go.
Look, he took her drink.
Guys,
Huh?
I got something awesome. Here, hold out your hand.
Okay. What are you gonna do?
Just trust me.
Whoa, candy!
Yeah, I stuck it in best as a security guard.
Did you guys like our sneaking snacks into a concert video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye!